Before embarking on any woodworking project, please read and understand the instructions that came with your tools and wear all appropriate safety equipment. The Robert Sorby Turnmaster is a unique tool. It combines a standard scraper with a tool that can shear scrape. Some like to call this shear cutting, as a cutter is slicing through the wood. It can be used on spindle projects, as well as bowl or faceplate projects. It is available with a wooden handle, or as a blade only, to fit into an interchangeable handle system such as a Robert Sorby Sovereign. The Turnmaster has a flat underside for great stability. To use the tool safely, position the tool rest so that the head of the tool clears the rest. With a flat underside on the tool rest, cut horizontally or slightly downwards to centre height. The Turnmaster allows for an extended overhang from the tool rest compared to standard tools. This is due to its specific design. Tool control is mostly about body movement, not arm movement. To hold the Turnmaster safely and correctly, place your front hand on top of the shaft above the tool rest and your rear hand towards the front of the handle, bracing the handle against your body with your forearm. This gives you great control and efficiency with every cut. Push the tool towards the wood and allow the cutter to gently scrape. As with all scrapers, let the cutter do the job for you with little force. A far superior finish can be obtained on many projects by using the tool as a shear scraper. To position the head for the correct direction of the cut, loosen the knurled ring and rotate the head to the right or to the left and lock in position. There are a variety of shapes of cutter available for the Turnmaster: 3 tungsten carbide, 7 titanium nitride coated high-speed steel, and 7 high-speed steel. Now let's look at each of the cutter shapes in more detail. Round cutter. This is a general purpose cutter for rapid removal of material both outside and inside bowls and hollow forms. This also works well on spindle projects. The round cutter can also be used in shear scraping mode on a variety of projects for a fine finish. Detail point cutter. This is ideal for roughing square to round and trimming the ends when turning between centres. And it is great for creating fine detail on bowl and spindle turning. Square cutter. The square cutter is used for creating square shoulders on tenons. It can also be used on the outside of a round form and on straight spindle sections. In shear scraping mode, it will produce a superior finish. French curve cutter. This cutter is ideal for scraping or shear scraping inside bowls, egg cups and goblets. Teardrop cutter. For scraping and shear scraping the inside of a bowl and similar projects, use any part of the curve. The straight edge can be used on external curves and flat surfaces. Dovetail box cutter. This cutter is used to hollow out, create parallel side walls and 90-degree corners in boxes. It can also be used to create dovetails and tenons for mounting projects onto a scroll chuck. Mushroom cutter. Originally designed for turning wooden mushrooms, this tip is perfect for undercut hollowing on various projects. You can pre-fit your favourite cutters onto additional heads. This will make changing them much quicker and easier. All the high-speed steel cutters can be sharpened off the tool by placing it upside down on a diamond plate or honing stone and gently rubbing it a few times across the face. The Turnmaster, together with all Robert Sorby products, are available from all main Robert Sorby dealers worldwide, a list of which can be found on our website. For more Robert Sorby product videos, along with useful hints and tips, go to the Robert Sorby YouTube channel.